JavaScript ES6, Destructuring Assignment. In ES6, variables containing multiple values, arrays, and objects can be destructured when using assignment. This syntax is a reverse of normal assignment using open and closing square brackets, arrays, or curly brackets objects, where single values are taken out of a collection and made into their own variables. Let's look at two different examples, first using arrays and second using objects. In this example right here, they are destructuring an array. Arrays are accessed based on curly brackets and the position of values. In this example, array example is created as a sequence of values 1, 2, 3, and 4, defined again with open and closing square brackets. Then on the next code line, these are destructured using the index of the values wanted. First array index becomes the value 1, second array index becomes the value 2, based on the position, the first position and the second position of the values within the array. Notice this is the reverse syntax of assignment. The first line, array example, the name of the variable is set to the array 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the second line, this syntax is reversed and it is destructured using assignment, where first array index becomes the value 1 and second array index becomes the value 2, enclosed in square brackets, and is equal to array example. Notice it flips the sequence of where the variable is placed within this. The first one assigns the array to the variable. The second one assigns values out of the array to other variables it creates. The first is normal assignment. The second one is destructuring assignment. Let's look at an object example. Objects are defined using their properties. So we see here object example is defined using two properties, name equal to the string Dan and action equal to the string speaking. The next code line destructures the object. Notice again the flip of where the name of the variable is placed. Instead of being first, it is second on the right-hand side of the equal sign. In this case, it is destructured using the property action to set a new variable to be equal to whatever the value is of the object it is destructuring. In this case, the final code line console.log using the variable action that was created on the previous code line would show the value speaking, the string value, based on the name of the property that was destructured, created into its own variable on the previous line. Destructuring assignment, again, uses a sort of reverse syntax. Instead of assigning variable to a value, it assigns values, pulls them out of an existing variable. This is again sort of a reverse syntax, where the variable name, instead of being on the left-hand side, is placed on the right-hand side of the equal sign, and values are extracted or destructured from it using open and closing square brackets for arrays or open and closing curly brackets for objects, where again single values are taken out of the collection and made into their own variables.